What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and for this unboxing video we have one of our Vicrez in performance rear diffusers, and this one is in gloss black. Now this is vz105594 if you want to check it out on the Vicrez website. Now this is for the BMW F22 fitting 2013 to 2021 models. Now let's go ahead and open this and show you what it looks like. Now, here you go. You can see the gloss. Now it's super glossy. And on the bottom here, you can see tabs and holes pre-drilled so that you can install it and bolt it in place or rivet it in place. And then if I flip it around here, on the back top edge, you can see plastic tabs. For install, you'll simply just snap those in to your rear bumper and then bolt it in. Now that's pretty much it for this rear diffuser. If you guys want to see more videos just like this one, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post more videos just like this one.